A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Please remember, like, share and subscribe and comment and tell a friend to join us live every morning at 5 a.m. Jamaica time, live at 5. Today we're going to read from the Good News about Jesus according to John chapter 2 verse 1 to 12. 2 days after that happened, he did have one wedding at one town named Cana. Cana did in Galilee. Jesus man did there the wedding. And Jesus and the follower them did there because them did get invited too. The people them at the wedding drink off the wine, and when it done, Jesus mother said to him, say, them not have no more wine left. Jesus said to her, say, Mama, you can't tell me that. For me time not come yet. Say mother tell the servant them when they there, they say, anything you tell them not to do it. Now 6 water jar when make out a stone did there. The Jew people them keep them water there in them to wash and make themselves clean. Because that's them Lord they tell them to do. One jar they could have hold about 20 or 30 gallons of water. Jesus said to the servant them say, look the jar with water. To them fill them up to the brim. Then he said to them, say, now throw out some of what in them and carry go get the food manager. And them do him tell them to do. When time the manager taste the water, which Jesus turn in the wine, him call for the man who did get married. The manager may know where the wine did come from. But the servant them will throw it out come give him, they know though. The manager called the man and said to him, say, when other people get married, them share out the best wine first. And when the people them drink and drunk off, at the time them share out the cheap wine. But you know, you share out the best wine last. Now Jesus worked whole heap of miracle. And the one year, I did the first one out of all of them. Him they do it at Cana, we're in Galilee. That way there, him show how him big and powerful. And him follower them believe in him. After the wedding, him mother, him brother them, and him follower them go up a Capernaum. And them stand there for a couple of days. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.